Here we are back again. This is the video number 3 of this Chinese flame liquor. I've just been outside to my shed and made that pulley, and that's on. And I've got this little old accessory, a stamp mill and a water mill on the side. Not sure of the make of that, but it's old, I think. So light it up. Just this, where I think is the best spot, and give this a flick. Yep, straight away. Okay, it went for about 1:30. I think the flame moves, so I'll just move that flame back again and see if I can kick it over. Yep. Alright, well, it's running again, and it's running well, and it's got no problem running that accessory. I've got the door open here to my right and a window to my left, and even that slightest breeze is enough to interfere with that flame getting sucked into the flame gulper mechanism. So all in all, it's working, and it's working. I've got to say, it's working good. So there we are. Hope everyone's enjoying their weekend. I really am, and enjoying seeing videos. So keep them coming, everybody, and steam on, flame liquor on, Stirling engine on, steam engine on, and just keep on keeping on. Thanks guys, bye for now.